You want us to do your job.
I'm not asking you to do my job. I'm asking you is to protect us.
I want you to leave the store. Matadamay kami.
Hindi kinakalibutan ako till now. Sobrang takot na takot ako. Sobra akong na-stress, in-anxiety ako during the incident.
Oh my God. Are you the manager here? Are you the manager? Are you the manager, kuya?
I just woke up. I decided to have a coffee. Fast forward, dumating yung girl, which is Ate Maureen, yung kasama ko sa video. We're just waiting na parang maka-order. And then, biglang may pumasok na guy. Lumapit siya sa akin, nag-ask for cash. Tapos, nangingi siya ng ganun. Sorry, I don't have cash. Nag-start siya magbubulong. And then, bigla siyang sumigaw ng, ano bang ginagawa ko sa'yo? Nagulat ako. May push Ate Maureen. Doon ako nag-start matakot.
Are you the manager here? Are you the manager? Are you the manager, kuya?
I'm not asking him naman to use his body as a shield para protektahan kami. Parang at least man lang na awatin niya yung nagagalit na pulubi. Hindi naman niya kailangan na makapagsapakan or anything. Aawatin niya lang. Pero wala. Ang ginawa niya, instead na tulungan kami, bumilid pa siya. Kumikat na nga kami, inahabol kami eh. Yung sundan kami mag-akmang sasaktan talaga kami.
You want us to do your job.
Are you for real? Are you the manager? We're the customer. And then you're asking us to step outside.
I just want you to leave the store. Matadamay kami.
We have to step outside? Are you for real? Are you for real? You didn't even stop him. You're on camera. You're on camera. Kitang-kita sa camera. Don't worry, ate.
Then dumating si Rafa, which is yung isang barista, to intervene na parang wag na kaming saktan na humarang siya. Stop naman. Pero yung manager, andun siya sa office niya, nagtatago, naglock ng door.
Yeah, he's attacking us. Yeah, he's attacking us out of nowhere. Then all of a sudden you're gonna ask us to step outside? Yeah, that's why you should have handled it. Oh, and then, you may call the barangay.
You want us to do your job.
My job? I'm not asking you to do my job. I'm asking you is to protect us.
You want us to protect you?
I'm not asking you to protect me kasi
I just want you to leave the store.
habang inaatake kami sa loob ng store nyo, ganun kuya.
Na-feel ko na mas hindi ako safe sa establishment na yon. Tinatapon nila kami sa apoy to save their selves na parang we are putting them in danger when in fact they put us in danger for not putting security guard during daylight. Super alarming and sketchy ng ganung scenario na wala silang guard during daylight.
What do you want us to do?
You can stop him from attacking us.
How could I do that? You want us to do your job.
One of the manager called me asking if I'm okay, what they can do to compensate. Actually, I honestly don't know right now. Gulat na gulat pa rin ako sa pangyayari. Baka balikan ako ng manager na ligaw sa amin. Natatakot ako for my safety na baka bumalik siya.
Pag nakasakit ka, nakadamage ka sa ibang tao dahil sa own fault or negligence mo, ikaw lang ang liable. Meaning, it will not extend. The liability will not extend to someone. However, there's always an exception. An exception natin, ma'am, is found on Article 2180 of, again, the Civil Code. In this particular case, ma'am, I think ang applicable sa kanya, ma'am, yung paragraph 4 ng 2180 na which states na yung owners and managers liable dun sa act ng employees nila. Nawalan ng maximum tolerance yung manager eh. Kumbaga, it is incumbent upon him as a manager to pacify the situation.
We know of the incident at one of our stores on August 8 and have already contacted the customers involved. Ensuring that everyone feels safe, secure, and welcome in our stores is our top priority, and we will take all necessary measures to achieve this. This matter is being taken very seriously and is currently under investigation. We sincerely apologize for this experience, and we will follow up closely with those involved to provide our support.
You want us to do your job!
Habang ina-atake kami sa loob ng store nyo, you can stop him. Kuya, we're scared. We're scared to death.